In this video, we'll talk you through the basics of saving Word documents in Windows. Use Save As to save your document. This function lets you name your file and choose its location. Open the File menu and select Save As. A window will pop up prompting you to name the file and choose a location on your computer. Choose the file type from the drop-down menu at the bottom of the window. Then, select Save. Use Save to save changes to an existing document. With your document open, click the File menu in the toolbar at the top of the screen. Then, click Save. Any recent changes to your file will be saved. Click the disk icon in the toolbar to quickly save your changes. This option lets you save your changes with a single click. Locate the Save button, which looks like an old-fashioned square floppy disk, and click on it to save your document. Use Ctrl+S to quickly save. These keyboard shortcuts instantly save recent changes. Most Word documents save automatically as docs files. To save your document as a different format, open the File menu and select Save As. In the File Format drop-down menu, select your desired format. Click Save to confirm your choice.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.